Okay, welcome po muli dito sa ating munting YouTube channel at ito ang inyong muli ang inyong Pinoy Firearms Instructor na bumabati sa inyo ng isang Merry Christmas. Ngayon ay dispiras ng Pasko. Kaya binabati ko lahat ng mga OFW sa mga panig kayo ng mundo. Sana sama-sama tayo magdiwang ng Pasko kahit tayo malayo sa ating mga pamilya. At dalangin ko iligtas tayo sa mga kapahamakan. At Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat. At ngayon ay gusto ko lang ngayong ipakita sa inyo ang tutorial kung paano ang magpalit ng o maglagay ng optic plate sa pistol. Kasi meron akong pinalitan na nilagyan ng ng optic plate yung 92X na Beretta. So tatanggalin natin yung kanyang iron sight, yung kanyang rear sight at papalitan natin ng yung optic plates, red dot optic plates para doon ikakabit yung ano. So papakita ko sa inyo yan at gagamit tayo ng ng isang tools, special tools na pangkabit noon. Ang tawag doon ay sight pusher. Okay, bago yan ay gusto ko lang muna kayong pasalamatan dahil sa inyong paglalike at pag-share ng ating mga videos dahil nakakatulong kayo sa ating revenues. At ang kita ng ating YouTube channel ay tinutulong natin sa ating 6 na estudyante na anak ng mga single parent. Kaya maraming salamat din doon sa mga nagpadala dito sa GCash number. Huwag po ninyong tawagan yung number na yan para bumili ng baril. Wala po akong pinagbibiling baril. Mag-message kayo dyan para kayo ay ma-recognize. Kagaya ni Sir Noli Piz America. At maraming salamat Sir Noli sa pagpapadala mo ng papasko sa ating mga beneficiaries na tumanggap ng tigit-tigit 1,000 mula sa iyo. At yung sobra doon sa pinadala mo ay dadagdag natin sa mga baon nila. Kaya ito yung magkapatid na mga beneficiaries natin na magpapasalamat sa iyo.
Maraming salamat po sa suporta ni Pinoy Firearms Instructor at sa papasko ni Sir Noli America ng Virginia, USA. Thank you po and God bless.
Okay, actually magkapatid yan, dalawa na yan na binigyan natin ng papasko mo. Tuwan-tuwa yung mga bata dahil may nagamit sila sa kanilang Christmas party. Kaya maraming salamat sa iyo Sir Noli Piz America. Marami tayong batang napapasaya at sana marami pa tayong mga kagaya mo. Bagaman ayaw mong ipabanggit ang tunay mong pangalan, ako'y sumasaludo sa iyo at nagpapasalamat. Sana marami pang kagaya mo ang may pusong matulungin para marami pa tayong mga batang matulungan. Okay, at babasahin ko rin lang muna yung kasi doon sa ginawa kong video. Babasahin ko lang yung mga bago nating community spotlight. Okay, shout out kay Enrique Oliva, meron kang 47 engagement. Shout out kay Leo Duenas, meron kang 3 engagement. Shout out kay Norman J. Sanchez, meron kang 40 engagement. Shout out kay Minises, meron kang 4 engagement. At shout out kay Bobby Obillas, meron kang 89 engagement. Okay? At yan, panoorin ninyo yung tutorial ng pagkakabit ng optic plate para matuturing kayo ng matuturing kayo para kung paano ang gumamit nung tools na sight pusher. Okay, yan ay actual. Kaya maganda rin panoorin ninyo. Kaya binidyo ko yan at ipakita sa inyo. Okay, maraming salamat. Pakipanood lang ninyo. Okay mga ka-trigger, ngayon ay dispiras ng Pasko at binabati ko kayo ng Merry Christmas sa inyo dyan mga ka-trigger. At ngayon ay meron tayo ditong isang magandang modelo ng Beretta. Ito yung 92X na Beretta. At lalagyan natin ito ng optic. So, lalagyan natin ito ng plate. At tatanggalin natin itong kanyang iron sight, rear sight, at ipapalit natin ito. At gagamit tayo nitong sight pusher. So, gusto ko lang itong ipakita sa inyo. Kaya tututok natin yung camera, huwag na tayo masyadong patalastas dahil ito ay urgent lamang na pinadala ng ng customer. So, nang una dyan ay tatanggalin natin ang kanyang ang kanyang slide. Okay, tanggalin natin yung slide. Yan, pagkatapos ay tanggalin din natin yung kanyang barrel. Yan, tanggal natin yung barrel. At ilalagay natin dito. Okay, so pakita ko lang sa inyo ang paggamit nito. Mabilisan lang ito. Yan. Ipit natin dito yung kanyang slide. Ganito. Saka natin ito ilalagay. Ganito ang paglagay nito. Yan. Kailangan ito nakatapat to sa kanyang, yan. Pagkatapos ay ibababa natin. Yun. Ito ang adyasan niya. Bababa natin. Sakto lang dapat, okay? Pagkatapos niyan ay, yan, pag nakaganyan na, ilalagay na natin ito. Ay, wala pa, kulang isang washer, isang washer siya. At ipitan natin. Ito yung kanyang side pusher. At ipitan din natin itong mga gilid para ma-secure siya. Yan. Pagkatapos ay ikutin na natin ito. Medyo mababa. Itataas-taas natin ng konti. Kailangan kasi hindi tatama sa slide ito. Yes, boss.
Hard?
I'm showing it to my video, sir.
Mm-hmm. You are the video my toy, huh?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This one must not touch
The frame.
the slide. Because it will scratch.
Install it good. This one very sensitive.
Okay, sir.
This is number one in Gunsmith in Kuwait.
Meet my boss,
Nobody like him.
the best policeman in Kuwait in terms of shooting competition, number 1.
Nobody in Kuwait, Gunsmith like Mr. Elmo.
Thank you, sir. Easy.
Easy?
Easy with proper tool.
Smoking here is very dangerous. Huh?
Not yet. Not too much.
Powder, gunpowder, something.
Only the what's called this garbage. Sometimes there is powder there.
Yeah.
Okay. O, ganun lang kadali. Tanggal natin yung side. Pagkatapos, babalik rin natin ito kasi ito yung pang ano niya. Ito yung pang plate niya. So, babalik rin natin ito. Tanggalin lang natin ito dito. Yan.
Finish, you remove?
I remove it.
Okay.
Now, this I invert. Because this is for the plate.
Put oil, huh? Better for you.
Not yet, sir. No, no need. Okay, we'll put a little bit oil here.
And this, Alan?
I,
you open it?
I make it down.
Good.
Okay, be sure that the Allen lock is not touching the surface. It's both in the bottom. Okay. See, it's well.
Yeah. Signature. My signature. I put my signature.
Thank you for reminding me. Thank you, boss. We'll put a little bit of oil
Small
to slide easier. Not too much. Ooh. From here.
I think you filed it before.
No, this touching here.
Yeah. Okay, if it is touching here, you can put this. You can make this one upside down. It will be.
I will check the position here. Like this.
I think it will go. It will be the same problem.
I will check it. I will push. Okay. Like this. Like this. Okay. And then
What do you think?
yeah, it's in the line.
Yeah, but
Okay.
but the teeth is not touching the.
It's
the
okay. I
surface.
think it's okay.
It's okay.
We will make it a little down.
Yeah.
So be sure that the beaver tail is aligned with this tool. The beaver tail is here, aligned with this. Okay. Now we'll take the. Why I'm speaking English?
I don't know.
My audience is Filipino.
Filipino, huh?
Yeah, like this. This is exactly
Exactly.
the size.
Let's go.
If not exactly, we will take a little.
Scratch.
Yeah. Now let's go. Okay, it's going. Let's see the camera. Let's see, open the camera. Check. Okay, it's going. Go, go, go.
You need to put here a base
Check.
for you.
Yeah,
It's going?
it's going.
Okay,
Halfway. Halfway now. Yes, this one. Yeah. Oh, thank you very much, boss. You're the best. Oh, easier. See,
This is another
another
tip
idea
for
from my boss. Thank you. Make a job easier. Check. Halfway. I guess in the camera.
Yeah, good.
More. More. I will keep this tool.
Yeah. Easy, huh?
Easy.
Okay.
I think it's too much.
I think we have to center this one and put a dot here and center it with the fire.
Yeah,
It will
I
be
think
easier
we go
for
too
you.
much.
Huh?
We go too much.
What do you think, Elmo? How much?
Yeah.
How much is this?
We will check it. How many? From here.
No, brother. Do you see this?
Mm.
This one. Measure it.
I miss
How much and make it half, then center it with the firing pin.
It's better sir, with this one. I think,
I want to make it easy for you. I know.
because I am very familiar with this tool.
Okay. I'm not. I don't like it. Too much, huh?
Eight millimeter. And here. Seven 7.5. Open.
Can I help you?
Okay, you have a strong grip.
Be careful.
Old man. Need help. Then we will lock the
lock screw.
The lock screw, so it will not move.
No need for a Loctite for this.
No need. This is 2 screws.
What do you mean of the these screws?
This one, this lock,
Yeah, what do you mean?
it will not move.
Yeah. Tools
Okay.
make your-
Very easy.
Tools make your life easy.
Thank you, boss,
And the
For-
good brain also make
for
it.
letting me use your special tool.
No, keep it with you if you want to.
It's better you keep it because sometimes
think
I
we
am
have
negligent.
A small problem, I think. Arma,
Huh?
I think we have a small problem here, or what do you think?
You can check it here.
Yeah. Okay, it's fine. Okay.
That is firing pin safety block.
Yeah, and what about this one?
If you want to remove the firing pin,
Okay.
that
So
is firing pin
they make it
pin
for
block.
you in an easy way, huh?
Okay. So that's it for our tutorial today. Just to show you how to use this
Wheeler.
special tool from my boss. Thank you very much
Wheeler.
for using this special tool.
Thank you. Anytime.
Okay. Just please subscribe my YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye-bye. Boss, say bye-bye to my
Bye
audience.
bye. See you again with another project. See you.
Thank you, boss.